It was a Friday night and I was by myself again, waiting for a call I knew would never come.
Yeah, you knew she wasn't gonna call you.
Wondering if you thought of me or said my name accidentally while you're with him, co-starring in your new life. And even though I'm better now, I really miss your doggy style and your muffins,
Blueberry joints, yeah.
and I won't forget when you told me you don't kiss me no more.
No more, y'all.
You just put your lips on autopilot, and I don't love you no more.
No more, no.
Everything is done now.
See y'all.
Please don't fight it.
It's like this, and we running with it. It's like this, and we running with it. It's no more, yo, check it. A 1, 2, when I say, check it. I say, yo.
You don't kiss me no more.
No more, no.
You just put your lips on.
Like that, yo. Now while you moving and grooving to the funky sound, I'ma let you know exactly how this go down. Month 1, that's when you meet shorty at a gathering. Sip a little hen rock and start babbling, talking about taking her out to expensive clubs, describing yourself as the nigga you wish you was. Month 2, that's when you start to wonder about her whereabouts, cause she in your bedroom sweating her mask ever out, and you be tapping it right, telling all your chicken that she got the best shit you had in your life. Month 3, that's when it gets a little more intimate, cause you realize she got benefits, and she straight cook for it, and read books for it, and hit the studio, even sing a hook for it. Hello. Months 4 through 6, that's when you start stressing, cause she wanna ask so many questions, like baby, where are we going, and will you ever leave me, and in a year from now, where exactly do you see me? Month 7, you know the ends are waiting, cause y'all both need space like a constellation, and it tries your patience, but you know that it's best for you, and you know that's what you better do. Then she says to you,
you don't kiss me no more.
Like that,
You
like
just
that,
put
that's how we
your
doing it,
lips
y'all.
on autopilot, and I don't love
We
you
running
no
it down.
more.
1, 2, 3,
Everything is done now.
I say, what's the word?
Please don't fight it. You don't kiss me no more.
Yeah, baby, wanna sing
You
on.
just put your lips on autopilot, and I don't love you no more. Everything is done now. Slippery, please don't fight it. Oh my.